Okay, ayan na. Basta ma'am, huwag mo lang ihulog si George, ha? Okay, now ma'am, are you ready? Relax ka lang. Are you ready? Mga kuya, ready na? No, George! Get the paper money. And there you go, na boy. Buha. Ayan, bigay mo ma'am. Okay, balik kay Kuya Richie. Okay, ma'am, like I said kanina, ibabalik ko yan ni George. Okay, huwag kayong mag-alala po. Mabalik ko mag-alala si George. Okay, now po, are you ready, boy? Wait lang po natin saglit, ha? Okay, Richie, ready na? Okay, now, George! Uli. And there you go, bigay boy. And there you go, ma'am. George, balik. And there. Ma'am, thank you so much for participating.
Wala ilang ko. We're mag-dating.
Third, the galaxy switches to fast speeds of locomotion. And lastly, tail rocket, or what we call here, tropical dancing.
Wait, tinawag ka nun, nakatubang ni mo. Ha?
As you can see, the color
There's someone here.
CEO, ayan na siya, folks. Yeah! There we go. Once again, guys, that is Lakas, our white-bellied CEO with the scientific name of Halientus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied CEO. The white-bellied CEO are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po, kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na. Si Lakas, folks. Palakpakan po natin si Lakas, guys. Alright, now let's make... Ayan siya, guys. Kali, wow! And there you go. Once again, folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. Now, guys, grass owls are predatory birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals, kaya naman their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when it flies. Di po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the brown minikay, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating eastern grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. Syempre, palakpakan din natin umbrella-crested cockatoo. Because did you know the reason of global warming is due to pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints. Using it. Ding 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 ding. Bicycle. Now Jumbo. Sakay. Ayan na siya, guys. First racer. Baka yun man sinagit. Ayan. Para lang. Good boy. Jumbo, not to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po, because we also have a scooter. Ayun, di ba? Ayun naman bike. Kain mo ang scooter to is no tupo. Ayun, sige ulit. Ayun, sorry ko. Alright, away. Oh, sige. Ayan na. Pumali up. Supali ko, boy. O, dahan-dahan ang pinap dyan. Oops. Good boy. Jumbo, you see, guys, even our animals don't help from Mother Nature. We can also help by doing that. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose in some alternative ways for your... Kasi ayok na ito. Okay, now, George, ready to go na ba, boy? And there you go. Now, once again, folks, that is George, our black palm cockatoo, or also known as the Gulayan cockatoo. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now, folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home are being destroyed. Okay, now ipapakita yan ni George po ngayong hapon. Okay? Magtatanim si George ngayong hapon po. Pero bago gagawin yan, okay, Richie, ready na ba? Gagamitan ni George? Alright, and there you go. We have 2 soils. ang ating 2 branches. Alright, boy, are you ready? Okay, now George, ready? Kuya! Alright, Kuya Richie, lapag yung kahon. Alright, now boy. Alright, now saan natin ilalagay? No. Ayan, alright, very good. One more. Okay. Ayan, saan natin ilalagay? Slowly but surely. And, okay, asan ko? Ay, mag-ibig ka. What's empty? Oh, dalawang puno na yung ano yan. Okay, one more. Okay, isa pa. Oh, saan natin ilalagay, boy? Ayun o. Okay yung mag-alala mo. Punta tama yan ni George. Okay, like I said, kanina we are still working with all the animals. As much as want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. No, boy! Ayan na! Here we go. Thank you so much, George, for helping our mother. Now, folks, little fan fact, they use their nest using twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they use their nest using twigs. At yung hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, syempre, hindi tayo mag-volunteer. Sino gusto? Mag-volunteer. Atong po ang gagawin. uli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Alright, now JJ, ready ka na ba dyan, boy? Wait lang natin, folks. And there you go. Okay, once again, folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindanao, and that's his meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills are ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata, folks. Girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay, now ngayong hapon, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word?
Fly.
Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya G-Mark, Kuya Cyril. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Alright, now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Wow, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-hatch ng lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni Ate Girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga po. Subukin pa sa ating mga kalaw, may problema, no? Ako sa mga single ladies natin dyan, ha? Kung nag-aanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Asa pa? Nandito lang ang... Pwede rin sa mga trainers po. Stay joke lang, guys. Once again, magpapakita ang gilas mo ulit ang ating mga kalaw now, folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm jack of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw po sa siyempre, sina Kuya G-Mark. And there you go. Once again, folks, that is Apollo, our umbrella crescent cockatoo, with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, folks, did you know Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo? Let's raise your hand. Sino gusto makita si Apollo sumaya? Ano ang taas kamay? Dito sa kabila. Sino gusto? Wala. Okay, ayun. Maraming pa. Oh, ito daw, how about Kuya Michael? Who wants to see Kuya Michael? Let's raise your hand. Taas kamay. Alam, may monster rin Kuya Michael, ha? Ibig sabihin niya, kayong dalawa ni Apollo ang sasaya. Okay na, Kuya Michael at Apollo, are you ready? Okay na, Kuya Jun! Hit it! And that is the moonwalk with famous by Michael Jackson. So, agas ka po eh. Pakita mo sa kanila kung gano'n galing ang moonwalk. Tama na, Apollo. Mahulog na sa table, boy. Alright, now guys, and this time, let's see his acting skill. Ano magaling itong umarte si Apollo, folks, pang-artistahin ko siya, guys. Para kung si Carbo Dalisay sa probinsyano. Alright now, Apollo, what do we do if you see a predator? Anong gagawin? Kung may akila, may predator, anong gagawin po? Ano siya, guys? Ayun na siya, folks. Patay, good boy, Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in the wild to fool the predator. So magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, one more pala, Ben. Apollo yung akin na po, andyan si Tas, anong gagawin? May akin na! Ayan na po siya, guys! Look! Apollo, palagpakan po natin si Apollo, please. Pero wait, hindi pa tayo dyan nagtatapos. Kuya Michael, pwede ka bang intervene sa Apollo? Just a quick interview lang, Kuya Michael. Apollo, interviewin kita, boy. Sumagot ka na maayos, ha? Alright, now Apollo, look at Kuya Michael. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba? Si Kuya Michael mo, Apollo. Is he good looking, Pogi? Ako. Sana all. Pogi, syempre, pogi mo talaga si Kuya Michael Fox, no? Okay, now. Syempre, hindi ako magpapalay. How about me daw, Kuya Apollo? Look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba si Kuya Apollo? Am I good looking? Pero Kuya, kapapayos mo talaga, Kuya. Okay. Abot dito tayo sa ating mga bisita, Kuya. Okay, babawi ko, Kuya Michael. Apollo. Okay, abot ito daw si Mama. Ayan ang nag-black. Alright, now, Apollo, look at Mom. Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Mama Apollo na sa front? Look at her. Is she beautiful? Maganda? Wow. Maganda. Hindi ka dala-dala. Kilimit mo. Okay. Abot sa lalaki. Okay, sa lalaki tayo. Wait lang. Wait sa lalaki. Ito na lang si Sir na naka-white, no? Okay, now, Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir or si Kuya? Pogi? Oh, wow! Sana all pogi. Okay, pero ba't ganun, Kuya Michael, pagdating sa akin, hindi? Ano nangyari dyan? Kayo talaga. Okay, one more time na lang, Darby. Please, boy, Apollo, sige na, look at me. Am I good looking? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Hello? Last lang din, one more time. Sige na, boy, please. Okay, folks, huwag na lang natin pilitin sa Apollo. Guys, palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo. So, Kuya Michael, kayo talaga. May